Welcome to the show, everyone. It's the Crypto Alert coming to you from New Zealand, bringing you this April 25th edition of what is happening in crypto. And Bitcoin, $9,723. Will we be testing $10,000 today? We've certainly seen a massive run up in the last 24 hours, moving up 6%. Ethereum up to $701. Some notable outliers, though. IOTA down 6%. Verge still down on the week. All of the Bitcoin wannabes, that is Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin Gold, and Bitcoin Private, all seeing losses in the last 24 hours, and PundiX also down after recent massive surges. So not surprising to see a bit of a correction on PundiX at all. Now, the total market cap currently, $436 billion, which sounds, of course, very impressive, but you have to remember that that is still half, approximately, of the all-time high market cap of over $800 billion. So we still have a long way to go just to get back to where we were. In order to see new all-time highs, we need $500 billion to come into the market. That's a lot of money. As a percentage, Bitcoin dominance has fallen recently as well. Back at the start of the month, we were up to about 45% Bitcoin dominance. We're back down to around 37% as alt season seems to be kicking in, and a lot of money is flowing downstream, particularly into Ethereum, but also into a lot of other coins like NEM, IOTA, NEO, and of course the 1,500 other cryptocurrencies that are listed. Richtopia has come out with a top 100 people in blockchain list. A very interesting list. Vitalik Buterin, unsurprisingly, at number 1. Max Keiser, number 3. That's pretty awesome. I'm a big fan of Max Keiser's work. Looking down through the list, though, the one thing that I would say is really missing are some top crypto influencers as far as social media goes. We do have the Dollar Vigilante at around number 45, but we're missing some of the really big people like Data Dash or Box Mining, who have, of course, hundreds of thousands of subscribers over on YouTube, not to mention, of course, their footprints on Facebook and Twitter. So I feel like they should have made the list as well. But this will be down on the link below. Come over here. There's some really great people that you can follow along on social media to stay up to date with all of the latest in the crypto space. 20% of financial institutions examining starting cryptocurrency trading soon, because of course they are. I'm actually surprised it's only 20%, but of course financial institutions are notoriously conservative, perhaps. But that is nevertheless a flood of money potentially coming to the market soon, guys. Tiny San Marino has big plans to become a top blockchain hub. Welcome to the party, San Marino. Better late than never. Of course, this is a continuation of stories that we've been doing recently of little nations having big aspirations for blockchain and cryptocurrency technology. Obviously, Malta is probably a prime leader of the space right now, but Gibraltar as well, Slovenia, Switzerland, Bermuda wants to get in, and all these other little countries all around the world are trying to open themselves up for this wave of technological money to come flowing through their little countries. $150,000 worth of Ethereum at least stolen from MyEtherWallet users in a DNS server hijacking. So the website was hijacked, redirecting users to a phishing website. You cannot take your security seriously enough, guys. You always have to check every single time you go to any website to make sure that you are on the secure website and that you're actually where you think you are, because this kind of stuff happens all the time. Be paranoid about your security, because remember, it is their full-time job trying to steal your money. What a profession, huh? Exciting, though, news about MyEtherWallet. Kyber Network has teamed up with MyEtherWallet. This is a great partnership for both of them, to be honest. I really love the Kyber Network DEX and what they're doing, and to see more integration with MyEtherWallet is only going to be a positive for both of those companies. World's first IOTA charging station has been launched in the Netherlands. Nice. Nice. Nice to see that finally coming to fruition. Swiss blockchain Sophia TX rolls out expansion to Asia by joining forces with Cheng and Company. Awesome. Really great to see Sophia TX moving from strength to strength, really, recently in the news. Expansion into Asia will be massive for them. Obviously, the appetite for blockchain in East Asia is through the roof. So there's only a lot of potential there for Sophia TX to have success. Resonate and Life ID will be collaborating. Now, Resonate is an ethical music streaming co-op. Interesting. They'll be working with Life ID to bring comprehensive solutions for managing identity online. This will certainly be one to keep an eye on when it comes up. ByNance. Oh, I love this. I'm so excited about this. And you can now sweep all of your dust into one convenient little pile of ByNance tokens. There is now a one-click button in your balances on ByNance where you can simply trade out all those tiny volumes of coins. So if you have $5 of this coin or $2 of that coin or 50 cents of this coin, you can now trade it all out and get ByNance coin in return for it. Nice. Really excited to see that. Other big ByNance news today as well. Changelly partners with ByNance. Gosh, ByNance has been in the news so much recently. They've been doing so much. They've been so active. You know, they've just been in Africa, in Uganda, in Togo as well, talking to people there, making those partnerships, spending money, educating people, and now, of course, partnering with Changelly as well. I think this will be a great partnership for both of them. The Aeon mainnet launch happening today. Very exciting stuff. Really, to see where Aeon's going, this is going to be one of those definite crypto projects to watch moving forward. Their partnership with Icon and OneChain, really big as well. So definitely do not take your eyes off of that one, guys. Power Ledger to take virtual power plant to Japan. Nice. They have powered up with a company called KEPCO. So not TEPCO, but KEPCO. This is a power supplier in the Osaka region, so it's Kansai Electric Power, or KEPCO for short. This is a really big partnership for Power Ledger. Again, Power Ledger is one of those companies, every time I hear them in the news, it seems to be, oh, another giant partnership. This will give them a foothold in the Japanese market and giving them exposure to millions of Japanese customers. And of course, Japan is like crypto central. So this is a really powerful partnership for that as well. And finally, Snoop Dogg will be lighting up the stage at Ripple's Blockchain Week NYC party. Let's be blunt here, guys. I want to roll up the news here and put it into a nice little ball that you can just pack up and smoke up here. Yeah, okay, Snoop Dogg smokes the weed, guys. Anyway, besides the point, this isn't really news, but this is a fun way to end the segment today. Snoop Dogg performing at Ripple's party. Of course, he's a performer who gets paid money to go do things. I wonder if Snoop Dogg even knows what the heck Ripple is, or if he's just like, ah, another concert, that's cool, I'll go play over there. I wonder if he's getting paid in Ripple. That would be even more interesting. Anyway, guys, that is all from the Crypto Lark for today. Long live the blockchain. And peace out till next time.